And Nomad's a none for one. And I think that's Joel that's just come out to bat. Shot, Joel. Come on. It's another run there. Stowed a will. It's a long single there. Same again. Joel's cottoned on there. So here we go again. Joel on strike. Joel smacks it through the offside. It's 4 runs. It's at the fence now. It's a cracking shot. Shot, Joel. Just the single, I think. Long single. Well, didn't like that ball. Bowler continues from this end. Single there, quickly round to stop any further chance of another run. It's a good shot by Joel there, I like that idea. Joel hits one into the covers. It's going to be at least one. Shot, Joel. Trotted through for the single. It's another cracker from Joel. And that's gone. That will go to the boundary. Got no doubt about that. I think it may be even 3. Joel hits one a bit aerial, but it's gone through the covers. Will's after it. Picks up, throws in. It's another run there to Joel. Steady at the moment. Joel goes long. It's just a single down there. Ball's coming back in. Just the one.
They came and moved him, but they've been in cut and rolled this morning, which is more than maybe we used to do.
Yeah, absolutely.
We used to do it at the start.
And if he does that every week, it will improve.
We'll only get better, won't it?
Yeah. Could be 2 there. Should be 1 for the throw.
Is that a bigger?
Is that what?
Is that wider than normal as well? Is it normally?
Good shot from Joel. It's coming down here. Just the one run, I think. This could come our way. This could come our way. John slapped that one through the offside. Just the one run. 4. One there from Joel. Another long one down there. Long single. Down to mid-on again. So Joel needs to bat through. That's gone a long way. That is a big, big 6.
Hi, Jolie.
Let's go get Joel. It's coming this way. It's gone again. It's high. It's near somebody's house.
Bang.
Seems a long over. That's been a wide. Oh, that's gone again. That's going to go out of the ground again. It's near the sheep.
And he's been doing it.
That's gone again.
Head.
Same place. Scatter the crowd. It's gone again. I think it's going for 4. He's kicked it. Chasing it round the boundary. Should come back for 2. Ball comes in. Shot by Joel. Just the one. The fireworks could come from Joel, who's back on strike again. That's gone a long way. It's scattered the crowd down there again.
Milo's going to get it.
Milo apparently has gone after it. Yeah. It's gone, that's better. That's gone
Jeremy
where?
hit by car then.
It's 4 runs. John?
That's Troy age, isn't it?
It's gone for 4. Shot Joel.